Hello children, welcome to Recorder lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you Introduction to Recorder, Benefit of Recorder, Types and Part of Recorder, then Posture of Recorder. So let's start with the Introduction to Recorder. Recorders are made in different sizes. The lowest note of most recorders is either C or F. They are in different colors and sizes, as you can see on the screen. Recorder has been around for over 500 years in various forms. That's a very long period of time. Some people see it as a toy or unserious instrument. But I must tell you, children, that recorder is as important as every other instrument. Recorder belongs to woodwind families such as clarinet. Can you see it on the screen? Saxophone, flute, oboe, bassoon. The first recorder were made in 1500s. You can see that recorder has been around for a long period of time. The recorder has a mouthpiece, that is the channel in which the air passes through, and is played like a whistle by blowing directly into the top of the instrument. The golden rules of playing the recorder is that left hands must be on top, regardless if you are right-handed or left-handed. What kind of music can be played on recorder? There is no kind of music you cannot play on recorder. You can play all forms of tunes, melody, instrumental on recorder. In the next lesson, I will teach you the benefit of recorder.
It's so interesting.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.